How do you sort out the so-called jargon from real-world practices that work? Do the members of your organization find some business or technology advice utterly confusing? Welcome to Real Talk with Sam Holcman. In this program, we set the record straight, and in terms that business people and technology people can understand. Now, here is your host, Sam Holcman.
Welcome. This edition of Real Talk will define or attempt to define two common terms that are out there. And that common term, of course, is artificial intelligence. Let's take a look at each one of these words and see what it actually means. Words do have meaning. The source I'm using is Oxford Languages, and they describe themselves as Oxford English dictionaries are widely regarded as the world's most authoritative source on current English. Pretty good source. So let's take a look at the word artificial. And what the Oxford Language Dictionary provides us is with words that are similar, so we can get an idea of what that word artificial means. So here's some of the similar words for the word artificial: synthetic, fake, false, imitation, simulated, sham, bogus, spurious, counterfeit, forged, pretended, plastic, fabricated, phony, and fakery. Let's go on. False, unnatural, contrived, pretended, exaggerated, overdone, forced, hollow, spurious. Wow. Interesting term, artificial. Now let's take a look at the word intelligence. Intelligence. And see similar words: mind, brain, judgment, reason, reasoning, understanding, comprehension, wit, sense, insight, sharpness, smartness, intuition, acuity, alertness, cleverness, brilliance, aptness, ability, talent. Interesting. At least it is to me. So, with that understanding, I believe we have completely misnamed, and as a matter of fact, negatively named, this phenomena that we're talking about right now. Well, let's go on here for just a moment. In the same dictionary, it defines artificial intelligence as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Very, very different than those terms that we just described. So let's take a look at a couple of terms that we suggest we use for A and I. The term that we're comfortable with is amalgamated. And similar terms there are combine, merge, unite, fuse, blend, mingle, mix, affiliate, get together, unify. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. And the second term we like to use is the word information. Details, facts, figures, statistics, data, intelligence, instruction, advice, guidance, direction, notices, words, materials, documentation. Sounds a little better, doesn't it? Well, we think it does. So perhaps to provide an understanding to people of what we're actually talking about, artificial intelligence is actually an extremely negative phrase. And maybe we need to use the term amalgamated information for two reasons. One, it better defines what actually AI is, and hopefully it makes people more comfortable.
Thank you for tuning in to Real Talk. Be sure to join your host, Sam Holcman, again for another edition of our program. We'll have more real topics of discussion then.